Alrighty, today I'm going to show you this Ikea 7-watt warm white self-ballasted lamp 120-volt fluorescent bulb. This particular bulb I found at the restore today, and it has a candelabra base. It's 7 watts, and it's a mini version from one of my later ones. So here's the bigger one, as you could compare it. So this one is 11 watt and this one is 7 watt. Like I told you, this one's 7 watts, so you can probably tell that this one is smaller by now. It's kind of hard to see on the camera. This is a candelabra base, more like bases that like incandescent night lights use. Very cool. Same design as this one, just stepped up. A little bit bigger. Very cool. So we're testing out this one today, not this one. We're testing out this mini one. You can kind of see the Ikea logo. It's not really black like the other one, but this one is like kind of etched in there. This one is just printed on there. I picked this up at the restore today. I'm glad I saw it. It was buried under a ton of other light bulbs. So I'll go ahead, plug this in, and safety first. And we'll screw it in. And turn it on. And a 3, 2, 1. Wow, that is bright for a 7 watt. That is nice. It's got that warm white glow to it. Very cool. We'll turn it off and turn it on a couple of times. Takes a second to start. You can't really see the ends glow when it turns on. Very cool. When you first turn it on, it takes like 2 seconds. And then like when it starts to warm up and like heat up and stuff, and you turn it off and turn it on, it takes like a second or even not a second. This is very cool. It's getting warm already, and it's very bright. Lights up the space here decently. Very cool. So I'll go ahead and turn it off. It doesn't have the most quietest ballast, just like this one. Same as this one. Both of these, the ballasts are not very quiet like modern day fluorescents. Usually modern day fluorescents are very quiet. So I really hope you enjoyed this video of this CFL 7-watt fluorescent bulb, Ikea, and thanks for watching.